Town Clerk Philip Kisia standing up to defend what he now says is misreporting over a court ruling that could adversely affect in a big way revenue flows for the City Council of Nairobi, parking fees.
Good afternoon, gentlemen and ladies.
In which the council collects between 2 to 2.7 million shillings per day.
The judgment that was passed today did not, and I repeat, did not restrain the City Council of Nairobi from collecting parking fee. It only restrained the City Council of Nairobi from increasing parking fee.
Contrary to a court ruling Wednesday in a case filed by the Matatu Welfare Association among other interested parties, seeing High Court Judge Weldon Korir ruled that the council should install parking meters so that the motorists can only pay for the time their vehicles have spent at a parking lot. The Matatu Welfare Association had filed the petition challenging the council's attempt to increase parking fees from 140 shillings to 300 shillings per day. Referring to the Traffic Act, Justice Korir said the meters should be installed by Thursday to allow motorists pay their parking fee according to the Traffic Act, which states, and I quote, "A parking meter of a type approved by the minister shall be provided for each space in a designated parking place and shall be erected as close to that space as practicable, and payment of the initial charge shall be made by the insertion of coins in a parking meter and turning the handle of the parking meter to its full extent so as to indicate the length of time paid for." And on this basis, High Court Judge Weldon Korir made his final decision. Quote, "I'm convinced by the ex parte applicant that the same were revised in contravention of the provisions of Part 6A of the Traffic Act." End of quote.
And the Traffic Act, in my own view and understanding, cannot be superior to the Local Government Act. The fees and charges are governed by a process that is guided by Cap 265. And I've instructed our advocate to appeal against that ruling.
But even as the blame game continues,
I don't think it is very clever. When you shot yourself, you're saying, don't give me better services. Then you shoot yourself, twaf, twaf. Then you take the same piece, so point it to your head and shoot yourself.
Whether motorists will pay parking fees in Nairobi Thursday in light of Justice Korir's orders remains to be seen. Judy Kosgey, Citizen TV, Nairobi.